My TMX shit right now. I'm about to get vicious on niggas. Show niggas I can write niggas vicious bar. Watch it. Niggas wanna get barked up. Niggas wanna get ate up. I ain't really tripping. What in the fuck though? Telling niggas a dog chow. I ain't really tripping. Nobody around here is puppies now. Fuck the bullshit. Tranquilizing them then. Fuck the bullshit like a bad horse that can't win no race then. I ain't really tripping. Yo, I know catching my pace then. Now then I'm seeing shot through your trailblazer then. I ain't giving a fuck. Y'all niggas know I get it off then. And anybody wanna get caught, get hit with choppers in. I ain't really tripping. I knock up the knockers in. Let the head bust it. Gusher like a gusher then. I ain't really tripping then. Fuck the bullshit then. Hurricane Chris can't even see me with the flow then. I ain't worried about a tornado in him though. Matter of fact, super surfer, surfing on the wave though. I ain't really tripping, better pay me though. Got some blue dolphin that I'm really crippin' though. Some of that make you feel like you swimming with the sharks too. Make you feel like you go against an octopus too. So that mean you got 8 bitches ready to fuck. Fuck the bullshit, I got about that many nuts. I ain't really tripping, I'll fill them up. Matter of fact, I get them up. Matter of fact, I Tupac, I just hit them up. Yeah.